Hi everybody, I'm Jerome from E-piphany, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about Hisense ALR screens and then giving you a short tutorial on how to quickly and easily assemble your own Hisense ALR screen at home. So most of you might be wondering, why do I need an ALR screen if I have a short throw projector? Well, the answer is pretty simple. For most of us, our home cinema environment is our living room. And like most living rooms, they have a lot of ambient light. This can be either in the form of overhead lighting, lamps, open windows and doorways, and so on. The problem is that most projection screens reflect all light. So the ultimate goal is to have a screen which reflects the least amount of light, gives the best possible picture quality, and reflects the image directly back to the audience. In other words, an ALR screen, or an ambient light rejection screen. We will now guide you through a short tutorial on how to quickly and easily assemble your screen. Once your box is unpacked, you should have the following pieces ready. Start by laying out the protective sheet and unfolding the two large pieces of the inner frame. Lock them together with the fold-out joiner and use the two metal L connectors to join the two pieces of the inner frame together. Use the screws provided to secure all the joins and corners. Now go ahead and attach the two vertical beams to the inner frame by sliding the ends diagonally into the channel of the frame and screwing them into place. Carefully unroll the screen onto the assembled frame, making sure the label marked bottom is facing up. Insert the corresponding black fiber rods into the sleeves on the edges of the screen, and then slide the edges of the screen into the channels of the long and short side pull rods. Be sure to lock the two long sections together with the metal joiner provided. Now insert the pull rods into the inner frame and tighten the screws evenly to tension the screen. Assemble the two long sections of the outer frame and attach to the inner frame with the screws provided. Now turn the screen over and complete the other long section before moving on to the shorter sections, being sure that the corners of the outer frame are flush for a seamless finish. Congratulations! Your new screen is ready to be mounted.